Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technical Tutorials. In this video we will see how to install latest version of Python in Windows 11 operating system. For that, first open your favorite browser. I am using the Chrome browser and search for Python. Then the first link python.org, the official website for Python. Click on that link. Then you can navigate to the downloads page. So here you can see the download option. Click on download to download Python 3.11.4, the latest version. So you can see our downloading is started. It will take small amount of time to download. After downloading completed, open it into folder and double click to run. So here we have to select the add python.ext to path, the checkbox, and we have to select the customize installation to install. Then in optional features we have to keep all the checkbox selected, then click on next. After that, here you have to select the one first checkbox, that is install Python 3.11 for all the user, and this is the by default path where your Python will be installed. Then click on install. Then you have to click on yes to allow the installation. So you can see our downloading and installing it started. After installation complete, click on close. So let's see our Python is installed or not. For that, go to start and search for Python. Then you can see the application which we have installed. Click on open. So here you can run your Python code. So let's print some statement. Print hello world. So you can see we have printed one statement, hello world. The another way to run Python program is on command prompt. So open your command prompt, type cmd instart. After that, first you have to type Python. So you can see the 3.11.1, the latest version of Python which we have installed.